Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you how to find out the derivative of a function with respect to another function. That means you have to differentiate, see here. Differentiate f of x with respect to g of x. In that case, let y is equal to f of x and z is equal to g of x. Take f of x as y and g of x as z. Now it becomes parametric equation. That means you want to find out dy by dx. And what is dy by dx? It is f dash x. And what is dz by dx? It is g dash x. And you have to find out derivative f with respect to g. That means derivative y with respect to z. So therefore dy by dz. Dy by dz means it will be dy by dx divided by dz by dx. And what is dy by dx? It is f dash x divided by g dash x. So this is the procedure. How to find out the derivative of a function with respect to another function. Clear? See here, this is an example. Differentiate tan inverse x with respect to cos inverse x. So let y is equal to tan inverse x and z is equal to cos inverse x. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse u, 1 by 1 plus u square into dy by dx. And what is dz by dx? What is the derivative of cos inverse u? Minus 1 by 1 minus x square root over into dx by dx is 1. So therefore dy by dz is equal to dy by dx divided by dz by dx. So what is dy by dx? 1 by 1 plus x square divided by minus 1 by 1 minus x square root over. So take it to the numerator, minus 1 minus x square root over divided by 1 plus x square. Clear? This is the answer. See here, this is another question. Differentiate tan inverse x with respect to tan inverse or root over 1 plus x square. So let y is equal to tan inverse x and z is equal to tan inverse 1 plus x square root over. So for z, let x is equal to tan theta. So it will become z is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta root over. It will be tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta root over. It is sec inverse theta. So you have to convert sec theta. You have to convert sec theta to tan. It will be better if you will not take this substitution. Because without substitution also you can do. No, see here. I am doing directly without substitution. It will be better. So it will be dy by dx 1 by 1 plus x square and dz by dx, that is tan inverse u 1 by 1 plus u square is 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square root over. Clear? So it is 1 by 2 plus x square into this one derivative of root u, root over of u, it is 1 by 2 root over of u into du by dx, and du by dx is 2x. So 2 cancel out, remain x by 2 plus x square into 1 plus x square root over. Clear? So therefore dy by dz, it is dy by dx divided by dz by dx. And this is equal to, what is dy by dx? 1 by 1 plus x square divided by x by 2 plus x square into 1 plus x square root over. And this part will go to the numerator, it will become 2 plus x square into these two cancel out, remain x into 1 plus x square root over. Clear? This is the answer. See here, this example is very, very important. Let y is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square and z is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And already it is known to you, the formula for this one is 2 tan inverse x and this one is also 2 tan inverse x. So both are same. So that means y is equal to z. So dy by dz is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Clear? Now I am going to tell you how to find out the derivative of an infinite function. Infinite function is like this. Y is equal to x to the power x to the power x to the up to infinity. How to find out the derivative of this one? See here, what is y? X to the power x to the power x to the x to up to infinity. So that means this quantity. Tell me. This is also y. X to the x to the x to up to infinity. So I can write like this. X to the power y. So take logarithm of both the sides. Ln y is equal to ln of x to the power y. So it implies ln y is equal to y ln x. Take y to the front side. So now differentiating with respect to x. Ln y, derivative of ln y is 1 by y into dy by dx. So it is UV, apply product rule. If y constant, log derivative log x is 1 by x, then ln x is there, derivative y is dy by dx. So here it is dy by dx, here it is dy by dx. Take it to one side. So 1 by y minus ln x whole into dy by dx. I am taking the common. So it is equal to y by x. So take the LCM. 1 minus y ln x by y into dy by dx is equal to y by x. So what is dy by dx? Take y to the numerator. Y square by x into 1 minus y ln x. So this is the answer. Clear? See another type question. Y is equal to x plus x plus x plus so on. Like this. If the question is like this. In place of x you can write sin x plus root over of sin x plus root over sin x anything. Or log x plus root over of log x plus root over log x plus root over log x anything. So see here. This part is y. That means x plus y root over. Y is equal to this one. So squaring both sides, y square is equal to x plus y. So I can write y square minus y is equal to x. I am taking y to one side and x to another side. So now differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx. And derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to 1. So take common dy by dx. It is 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1. So what is the value of dy by dx? 1 by 2y minus 1. So this is the answer. Clear? Another type of question I am going to tell you. Y is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by and so on. Okay, this is y. See here. This part is y. So I can write y is equal to x plus 1 by y. So take 1 by y to left hand side. Y minus 1 by y is equal to x. Now difference again. With respect to x, we get derivative of y is dy by dx minus derivative of 1 by y, it is minus 1 by y square into dy by dx is equal to 1. Derivative of x is 1. So 1 plus 1 by y square into dy by dx is equal to 1. So taking LCM we get y square plus 1 by y square into dy by dx is equal to 1. So it implies what is dy by dx? It is y square by 1 plus y square. So this is the answer. Clear? See this question. 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus. So the function starts from 1 divided by. That means this one is y. This part I can write it as y. So 1 divided by x plus y. And x plus y is within the bracket. That means I can write 1 by x plus y. Clear? So y is equal to 1 by x plus y. So simply cross multiply. It is xy plus y square equal to 1. Now difference again. With respect to x, apply the product rule. X into dy by dx plus y into derivative x is 1. So derivative y square is 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Derivative 1 is 0. So take common from these two, dy by dx. So it will remain x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus y. So what is dy by dx? Minus y by x plus 2y. So this is the answer. Clear? See this function, ln of x plus, ln of x plus, ln of x plus and so on. Same thing repeats from here. Ln of x plus, ln of x plus, this quantity is y. So I get ln of x plus y. So put a bracket here. That means, now differentiating with respect to x, derivative y is dy by dx. It is ln u, 1 by u into derivative of u, that means x plus y. So it implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus y into derivative x is 1 and derivative y is dy by dx. Clear? So simply multiply dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus y plus 1 by x plus y into dy by dx. So take dy by dx to one side. 1 minus 1 by x plus y into dy by dx. I am taking common. You know 1 by x plus y. So take the LCM. It will be x plus y minus 1 by x plus y into dy by dx. It will 1 by x plus y. And from both the sides I am cancelling the term x plus y. So what is dy by dx? It is 1 by x plus y minus 1. So this is your answer. So you should do all the problems based on this type of problems. Okay. See your book and do all the problems on this type of. See the, perhaps I have done all the problems from your book, and in the next class I will tell you about differential and continuity. After that your derivative chapter will be completed. Then I will move to higher order derivative. Okay.